Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Courtney. In today's video, I am going to show you how to do a glossy lid look using color and gloss, but it's something that's not going to move throughout the day because I'm going to be using a liquid lipstick, waterproof liquid lipstick. This one is, I'm not sure if they still make it, but this is from MAC. It's called Boss Brown. They may have a different packaging now. I know that they still have some of these available. So of course you can use them on the lips. They're not meant to be used on the eyes, but I chose a color that is more of like a neutral and brown, not a lot of like reds or purples that tend to irritate some people. So do this at your own risk, but this is a look that I really like because I do like just a glossy lid if I'm just applying a little bit of gloss in a naked lid, but sometimes I like to add a little bit of color. So if you can't find this from MAC, I know there are a lot of dupes in the drugstore. So it's super simple. You're going to apply, you can use a brush, you can use your fingers, or you can use the applicator that it comes with. So that's what I'm going to do. You don't have a lot of time to work with it because it sets itself. So what I do is from the lash line to about the crease, a little bit above, I apply it, and then with my finger I will blend any like hard lines. So you want to wait for it to dry. So I'll do the other eye while I'm waiting for that to dry. So I already applied my foundation and a little bit of mascara and some liner. So this is basically just to show you how you can achieve a glossy lid look. I don't know why brands don't come out with something like this, because people do it anyway. So if they could do it in a safe way that most people can do it and not get irritated, I don't know why they don't, like in colors like blues or blacks. Oh, that'd be so beautiful. But if you try to do this with just a regular eyeshadow, since it's not going to set, as soon as you put the gloss over it, it's going to start to crease, and throughout the day or the night whenever you're wearing it, it's going to be all over the place and you're constantly going to be touching up. This is why I use this is Pro Longwear lipstick. Any longwear lip product should do the trick. So, and I know that they come in a variety of colors, and they do come in neutral colors, but I've done it with reds, I've done it with burgundies, and I haven't had a problem, but I don't have a lot of sensitivity. Like I said, it is not tested for the eye area, so test it out before you do it. So once that's completely dry, you'll notice that it goes on like a gloss, but once it dries, it'll look more matte. This does have a little bit of a pearlescent to it, so that's why it'll look a little bit more dewy, but that's pretty much dry. Now you can use another lip gloss. I like to use the lip gloss that comes with it because it's meant to be used with that formula, and I find that it wears a lot better throughout the day. So you just take your gloss, again you can use a brush, you can use your fingertips. I just apply it with the one that it comes with. I don't put it all the way to my lashes because I don't want it to seep into my eye. So I give it like not a quarter of an inch, like an eighth of an inch or so from my lash line, and just apply it to the color. So the gloss isn't going to set itself and it's not going to dry, so you will continue to have this glossy lid look throughout the day. And then you can pair it up with any other, you can pair it with like a matte lip like I have on. I have a matte nude. You can apply gloss to it, which looks really pretty because it's glossy on the lids and glossy on the lips. And you can do more of like a gloss or a glass-like texture to the skin, and this can all be done with the same gloss that you used on top of the eye. So for my cheeks, I'll just put a little bit on my fingertips. And then apply it to wherever I usually put a highlight, from the higher planes of the skin, down the bridge of the nose, a little bit on the chin. But that's it. So that is my glossy eye tutorial using lip products. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. It doesn't seem like it's a big deal, but to people that create videos, the subscribers help us to make more videos and support our channel. So please subscribe and let me know in the comments down below if you tried this, if you tried any other products that you find that really work for this look. I'd love to know about them, and let me know if this worked for you. Thank you so much. Oh, and if you have any other questions, please link them or ask away down below in the comments section. Thanks again. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks.